Hi guys, welcome to this video on augmented operators or augmented assignment operators. So if you remember in the last video, we could do this. We told you if you have x is equal to x plus 1, you can actually do it like this, x plus plus. But that's when you're incrementing by a value of 1. What if you're incrementing by a value of 2? So maybe you want x plus 2. There is nothing like x plus plus plus. So this brings us to the augmented assignment operators that makes it easy for you to do this. So what are augmented assignment operators? They are used to replace a statement where an operator takes a variable as one of its arguments and then assigns the result back to the same variable. So where we had x is equals to x plus 1 from the last video, and we could do it as x plus plus, we can also do it as x plus is equal to 1. As you can see, the three of them are the same thing. The first one is your normal assignment operator. The second one is your incrementer by 1, and the third one is the augmented assignment operator that we are dealing with in this video. So let's proceed. So now, if we want to add 2 to 10 to x, we could do it like this. X is equals to s plus 2, but then using the augmented operator, we could actually do it like this. X plus is equals to 2 because it means x is equal to x plus 2. And let's print the result and let's see what we have on the output. So there you have it, 12. So that means 10 plus 2. So x is equals to x plus 2, and that is 12. Same thing when you have your subtraction. 10 minus 3. But instead of doing it like this, you can actually do it like this, okay, using augmented operators. And let's see if the result is 7. And there you have it, 7. So same thing, x is equals to x times 4. We can actually write it this way. Instead of writing it like this, you can do it like this. And let's see, and that should be 40. Oh, sorry, I did not save that. Sorry guys, let me clear the output. So there you have it, that is 40. So if we go ahead also for division, same thing applies or is applicable when you divide. So instead of saying x is equals to x divided by 5, you can use the augmented operator for division and say x divided is equal to 5. And let's see what that comes out to be. So I save, then I run, I see you have it as 2. Remember the problem I told you from before, we have to turn this to a float. But you know, that is not the scope of this video. I just want you to see that you can use augmented operators. And also for modulus, you can do the same thing. So modulus is the remainder of a division. And when we do that, it still works the same way. So you see, the modulus is 0. So when 10 is divided by 2, this division is actually a proper one. There is no remainder, so you have 0. So guys, that is it on this video on augmented operators. I'll see you in the next one.